Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Fredrik Eklund. I'm the product owner for Engcon Control Systems, and once more I've been asked to be the host for yet another virtual presentation. Since the success of our last presentation, I've been asked to host this, and with me once more I have Niels Giesen from our global technical support team.
Yes, hello.
We are currently standing in the prototype workshop in lovely Strömsund. Here we're doing development of new products as well as testing and prototyping. But today we'll be looking at some of the serviceability and maintenance that users, operators and owners of Engcon tiltrotators can perform by themselves with products which they can purchase at the local hardware store.
Yes, exactly. So we have been shopping around and we have bought some products here. Obviously we have our grease gun. Then we have some electronic spray. We have silicone dielectric compound. Then we can either use this compressed air from the can, or we have, if you're working in the shop, we just use the normal compressed air. And then we have just the multi-purpose rust protection grease.
Perfect. So how many, what is it that we'll be looking at? We will be looking at some of the electrical things, some hardware maintenance as well. Anything else we want to have said about that?
Yeah, we're going to check the central greasing system, see that everything works fine, look for loose contacts, corroded contacts. Yeah, just make a general overlook so that the next time we're going to use the tiltrotator, everything works perfect and we don't have any downtime when we don't need it.
Perfect. And I think it's worth mentioning as well, all of these maintenance areas, there's not just because we are currently moving into autumn time, it's going to be cold, it's going to be wetter. These are, let's say, maintenance areas which you can do all around the year, not just one time a year. Do it now and then, and that will prolong the life of your Engcon tiltrotator. But before we get started, we need to suit up. We need to have our workshop wear on. So, yes. All right. So where should we start? Should we start with the electrical part then, maybe?
I think the first thing we should do is just clean up here a little bit, so we have some space.
I'll take my gloves on
the side.
And as you can see, as in every good cooking show, we have prepared a bit. So we have removed the cover plates over the main valve.